Nature alone maintains the balance of the earth. Either it comes to land or water, from nutrients such as nitrogen, carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus. Also, the flow of energy from the sun, which we can convert into sugar by plants through photosynthesis and later for consumers or organisms. The balance in nature must be maintained and humans must not interfere since this might lead to destruction due to being unbalanced. Nature is perfectly balanced and fit for us to inhabit the earth.
What do we mean when we say nature knows best?
Mother Nature is one amazing lady.
Just think of all the wonderful things she's made, the trees, flowers, and even the birds.
And when it's time to get rid on the bags, we know that nature knows best.
She showed us how to harness her power to get rid of the bugs that we don't want, but to protect the good ones, like the pollinators.
Just like Mother Nature herself, one day sight is a multitasker. It kills and repels fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes.
Like we said, amazing for families, not so good for the bugs.